Hola chicos, today's Mexican expression is ¿Qué pachuca por Toluca? ¿Qué pachuca por Toluca? So let me give you a little explanation first. Pachuca is the capital city of the state of Hidalgo, and Toluca is the capital city of the state of Estado de Mexico. Please don't confuse. Estado de Mexico is not the same as Mexico City. It's another state called Estado de Mexico. Well, ¿Qué pachuca por Toluca means what's up, what's going on? And it's an ultimate Mexican expression. Only Mexican people use it and understand it. Another expression is ¿Qué transita por tus venas? ¿Qué transita por tus venas? It means exactly the same thing, but literally means what flows through your veins. Muchas gracias por verme. Si quieres aprender más español, sigue conmigo.